With constant innovation shaking up the textile printing industry, customers have more control and freedom to customize than ever before. Retail and fashion businesses are thinking beyond traditional printing to keep pace with fast-moving trends. The future of textile printing is digital, and Epson welcomes you to be part of it. This rapid advancement of the technology is making an impact on the industry. With digital textile printing, businesses can offer a shorter lead time while streamlining production. You have more control over the whole process, with quicker turnaround from designing and production to stores in just weeks. Customizable print run orders can be shorter, creating cost and energy savings while still ensuring top-notch print quality with superior texture and durability. This is the way forward, and Epson offers a comprehensive range of digital textile printers. There is a solution for your every need. Dye sublimation printers print your designs onto media on demand, which are then transferred onto polyester fabrics. Direct-to-garment printers print your design onto cotton materials, like t-shirts and tote bags. Finally, direct-to-fabric printers allow you to print directly onto a wide range of pre-treated fabrics. Intricate designs and extensive colors can be printed, which is why more and more designers are drawn to the allure of digital textile printing, recognizing how it reinvigorates their craft. Designers can push the boundaries of their art, creating intricate designs and details that have smooth, vibrant, and precise colors. It opens up limitless possibilities of creation, from ready-to-wear to home fabric and to high fashion, effortlessly making beautiful and unique designs, creating trends instead of chasing them. The impacts of digital textile printing extend to the retail sector, where digital printing allows small businesses to be nimble, reacting quickly to market trends while keeping their inventory light. Customers' shopping experiences are elevated, and they can be spoiled for choice with the latest fashions. Stay ahead of the game with the adoption of new print technologies. Epson is committed to delivering quality and expertise to the industry, and they are with you every step of the way.